hope you're having an amazing day. I just got my very first mystery tackle box in the mail. Now, mystery tackle box is a monthly subscription, and they basically send you a box of fishing lures and fishing tackle to your door every month. This is the standard ice fishing box for the month of January 2021. Let's see what's inside. Wow, that's pretty neat. They got a little ruler here. They have a little competition on their social media. Check that out. First thing in here are the Dibble tips and tricks, and it looks like there's fun little games in it. Here, fluorocarbon fishing line. There's a little article on that, and choose the right colors for ice fishing. That's pretty interesting. I'll have to read that later. And then, next, we have this card. Tells you what's inside our ice fishing box for this month. Now, the first lure retails for $7.99. It is the Strike Pro Micro Ice. Is this it? Here it is. Wow, what a neat lure. It's fairly heavy too, 11/16 of an ounce, sinking. It looks like a jig and wrap type of lure. Very good action. I am super impressed with this lure. Next, we have the 13 Fishing Origami Blade, which retails for $5.49. Right here. Oh wow, that's pretty neat. So this looks like a vertical jigging spoon in perch color. Several folds in it, that's why it's called the Origami Blade. Super sharp premium black nickel hook. UV glow and reflectivity. Maximizes action without spinning. Next on our card here we have the Euro Tackle Gamma Scud, which retails for $3.59. Oh, here it is, the Gamma Scud. This is the smallest pack I think I have ever got of soft plastic lures. It just looks like a little 1-inch micro finesse. It looks like it's in a gold color with some gold flake. Let's open it up and take a look at one here. They don't really have a scent to them as most soft plastics do, but it's a nice little representation of a little scud. And in the box, little spoiler alert, I see some jig heads that would pair very well with this. Next, we have the Northland Tackle Hard Rock Musca Jig, $3.49. Okay, 1/57 of an ounce. Hard rock, sinks like a rock. Tungsten Series UV Granite Glitter Finish. Man, that is small. Comes with one size 16 hook. Very interesting. The last lure in our box is the Widowmaker Lures Tungsten Glow Series Scud Missile for $4.19. Yep, right here. Oh wow, these are really small. These are size 12, so a little bit bigger than our other tungsten jig here. These are also tungsten. It comes with 2 of them, and they glow. And last but not least, we have a super cool Catch Co sticker. I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my grandparents. They gave me a 6-month subscription, so Grandma and Grandpa, I know you're watching. Thank you so much. This is going to be a super fun thing to do on my channel for the next 6 months. I can't wait to do this for you guys. They are not a sponsor, but if you'd like to get a mystery tackle box, I will put the link in the description below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so by hitting that red button down below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button for me. That's all for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.